Every automotive security vendor now has an AI that writes your TARA, FEV, PlaxidityX. So the draft isn't the moat anymore. This is the threat analysis and risk assessment, the ISO 21434 TARA, used to take an engineer weeks. Now an LLM chain drafts it in minutes. FEV's own docs say it. Risk determination is automated. Risk treatment is not. You still get a spreadsheet, and you still decide what to do about every threat by hand. PTRG picks up exactly there. Same AI draft, assets, damage scenarios, threats, attack paths, feasibility, but then we decide the treatment and map a countermeasure to every threat. And this is the part a spreadsheet can't do. We prove the attack. Live exploitation, real proof of concept evidence behind the risk score. Look at the whole field side by side, one honest grid. PTRG covers your whole attack surface, runs live exploitation, signs the deliverable, and prices it flat. Then we sign it. A countersigned AES 256 sealed deliverable, PDF, DOCX, slide, CSV, with NIST and UN R155 mappings on every finding. The thing an assessor actually accepts. AI writing the draft is table stakes. Signing the deliverable and proving it is the job. See the module by module comparison and score your own TARA maturity free in 60 seconds.